A Montgomery County judge stepped in to save a high school basketball team's playoff season. Oakwood Adventist Academy was kicked out of the postseason after playing one too many regular season games. But a court ruling issued earlier today allowed them to play until just hours later. A Jackson County judge issued a conflicting order postponing the playoffs once again. So that brings us to the question, does the AHSAA wins the legal battle? Can Oakwood be disqualified from the tournament entirely? Let's verify. Oakwood Adventist was kicked out of the playoffs after self-reporting they played 31 regular season games, one over the Alabama High School Athletic Association limit of 30. Under AHSAA rules, they had to forfeit their next game, ending their season, but a temporary restraining order temporarily reversed that decision. The question now is, could Oakwood be removed from the playoffs if the court rules in favor of the AHSAA? Let's verify. Our sources are the Mongomery County Circuit Court order, the Alabama High School Athletic Association 2025-26 handbook, and legal precedent. Here's what we found. This actually isn't the first time this has happened in Alabama. In 2018, Mongomery High School's boys basketball team played 23 regular season games, 3 over the 20-game limit. The AHSAA made them forfeit those games in their next 3 scheduled contests, which eliminated them from the playoffs. Mongomery was forced to forfeit their championship game, and their opponent, Hueytown, advanced instead. That same year, defending Class 3A champ Midfield and Sumter Central were also eliminated for the same violation. Back to present day, the 2025-26 AHSAA rulebook states teams can play a maximum of 30 regular season games. The punishment for breaking the rules calls for forfeiting any extra games. In Oakwood's case, the Montgomery Court's temporary restraining order allowed the team to continue playing in the tournament. However, 2 players are required to sit out 1 game under AHSAA's student restitution provisions. If the court rules in favor of the AHSAA, they would be immediately removed from the tournament. The state finals are set to run from March 3rd through March 28th, but the playoff game has been postponed pending the resolution of the conflicting restraining orders. And even with an expedited court case, it could take weeks or even months. AHSAA Executive Director Heath Harmon was asked if Oakwood would continue in the playoffs if the AHSAA ultimately wins the lawsuit, but declined to comment. So we can verify that yes, there is a chance that Oakwood would be disqualified if the AHSAA wins the legal battle, but ultimately it's up to the court to decide. If you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.